Something that's important that we've changed and matured and grown over the years. So we actually have agile development teams, conversational development teams. We won't talk about every part of that. Some of it you're probably all familiar with. What's important, what I circled here is like data science and analytics. Key member of the team here. They're going to help you decide what's important next. What's the frequency? When you're racking and stacking and prioritizing work, you know, there's data science, or they're going to help you, but then they're going to help you throughout as well at the end. They're going to help you understand how it's performing. Okay? So they're going to help you through the life cycle. Everyone here has a seat at the table. They're there throughout the process. Okay? They don't just come in and go. You don't make, hopefully you don't have to make front door requests for every piece of this. But it's how you found to work effectively. The other piece, of course, is conversational design and development, as well as UI. Like graphical design. You know, those folks work together. We have multimodal interactions, and so we need all those design skills. Now, are they in one person? That's great. I do know some folks who can do the graphical and the word design, as I sometimes call it, can do that very well, or you've got to enlist multiple folks. Depends, but you need those skills at the table.